Hi! In this video, I will show you how to delete Monopoly Go account. In order to do that, head over right here to your three lines on the upper right corner, and then click right here onto your settings. Once you have done that, click right here on the Manage Account option that you can see right here on your screen. And then from in there, you can see in here a lot of buttons. So what you can do is just click on the Account Deletion button that you can see right here. Once you have clicked on that, this will load this article right here that will prompt you to delete your account. So here's some instruction. You just need to head over and then delete the app itself. Or if you want to delete your game account, please be aware that you will not receive a refund or any unused items you purchase. So for this one, we can scroll down right here and then confirming this, you can click on this delete account option. And then this will load right here. Just enter in here your name as well as your email that you used for your Monopoly Go. Then after you have done that, you should be able to successfully delete your account. So that's how you delete Monopoly Go account. I hope this video helped you a lot.